Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you my entry that I made on Crush500. It was a buy, but first of all, explain to you the change of character, how this entry I made it because of the change of character. So the market was changing the direction, the complete direction of the movement. So before we go any further, I'm just going to highlight to you the market structure, and then I'll show you the reasons why I made this entry and how I managed to make a win. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you I'm on H4 from the H4 analysis, coming back to the H1, and then how I made my entry there. Okay guys, if you see here on top, this is the highs and the lows of the market. Okay, so this is the high of the market, and then here structure was broken and the market came down. That's on H4. See, the market came down here from all the top way down, and then this is the structure being broken and retested this zone, this order block, and then it went shoot all the way down. Okay, then if you see here, this is another structure here. The market came and then it broke the structure, then it came here, it went down. So my entry was here because it was retesting this order block here, and then it went up. Okay, so I'm going to go to the H1 to show you how I managed to see this market very well. Okay, I'll start from the top, my analysis. All right. Okay, this is my zone. This is my highest zone. I'm gonna mark it right now. This is my highest zone, this one. So you can see the market came to this spot, broke structure, and then came to retest this zone. Yeah, then it went sold all the way down, and then it broke this structure again, and then from here, just want to show you something. When it came over here, it broke this structure, it went up, and then it tested this order block, and then it went back down. But my initial um my initial um how can I say, lower low, should I say, higher low, yeah, because here it broke this structure and it came down, and then it went back all up, but this one, it was taken out by this movement. So for me, I'm seeing it's a change of structure. So from there, when it came down like this, I knew that when it comes to this order block, it's going to test it, and if you place a buy here earlier, we're going to eat until this. You're going to eat until this zone, yeah, this line, horizontal line, and take your profit. And then you wait again and see what's happening, because it tested this part and then it came down. It was not going to go down, continue going down, because why? Because it has changed the direction. In which part did I see that change the direction? It changed it here on this part. Yeah, that's where the direction changed. Yeah, it was broken all up. So this made me change. But if I go to the 30-minute chart, you see, for those people who know the W strategy or setup of the market, you see here there's a W. It means that the direction of the market is changing. So when the market was coming back to this zone on the W, I just went all the way down to see which order block was not tested, and you can see it's this one. It wasn't tested, and it came down, and then for this entry it was refined, but mostly you can target the order block itself, and then it went all the way up. Then that's how I made a profit. So if you're not understanding, just comment on the video below, and then you tell me where you did not understand, so that I can repost another video to explain to you how the market structure is so helpful when it comes to entries and to always be in profits in this business. But mostly all I wanted to emphasize on this short video was the structure, the market structure, because I started from H4 and say, okay, the direction of the market from H4 from here, it was all the way down. It was going down from here. It was going down, going down, going down, going down. But when it reached this zone, I realized something, that the market went down here, but it came up and then it broke this structure here. So this part, it proved to me that, okay, now it's changing character. Now it's going up, you see, because it's lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. So now if it goes higher high and then makes a higher low, then I know that there's a change in direction of the market. That's how I based my entry on this one. And then if I go to the H1, that's when I there was clear setup for me to say, okay, now things are changing. Because if you look here, I'll just draw a line. You look here, this horizontal line, the market went all above it. From down here, it tested this zone, it came down, and then it went up above it, and then it came down again. So if you see such a setup, you know that's a change of character. This order block that is on the bottom is the one that you can place you can go full in, or you just take your entries to safeguard yourself, because anything can happen in the market. But that's the strategy. Change of character, it breaks the previous high, and then when it comes down to the lowest order block, you place your entry, and then you're in profit. And you see here, it didn't break this one, this high here. It just came here and then tested this order block and went back down. But the assurance to say I'm going to make my entry, this was my entry here, is because there is a W setup as well. If you can zoom it well, you see, this is a W setup, W. So it's coming back for this order block to test this order block, and then it goes up, and it did exactly the same thing. And you see now, there it is, tested the order block, and then it went up. So guys, that's all I wanted to share. Hope this information will help you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's continue making money. Thank you.